In this video, we'll guide you through the assembly of two models, Esfera Remote Fan and Esfera STS Plus. Let's take a look at what's inside each box. Front and rear grills, guard ring, fan blade, motor unit, fan base, warranty card, connector tube, pole with L screw. Front and rear grills, fan blade, remote, warranty card, motor unit, pole, fan base and base cap. To assemble the 2-in-1 convertible fan, first remove the L screw from the base of the pole by rotating it anti-clockwise. Loosen the knob on top of the pole. Pull out the inner section and tighten the knob again. Insert the pole into the fan base. Secure it by tightening the L screw from underneath the base. Insert the pole in the motor unit and tighten the screw from behind. Let's move to the base assembly of Esfera Remote. Start by removing the screws from the base. Next, detach the height adjustment knob on top of the pole, slide the base cap into place and reattach the knob. Before tightening, pull out the inner section of the pole. Place the pole upright into the base and secure it firmly with the screws. The base cap neatly conceals the screws for a clean finish. Finally, insert the pole into the motor unit and tighten the screw from the back. Now, rotate the knobs to take off the blade cap and the grill mounting cap from the motor shaft. Place the back grill onto the motor and secure it by using the grill mounting cap. Next, slide the fan blade onto the motor shaft and fasten it with the blade cap. Lastly, align the front grill with the back grill. Press gently and secure both together by tightening the screw on the grill. For table mode, detach the motor from the pole and keep it aside. Remove the pole from the base by unscrewing the L screw. Insert the connector tube directly into the base. Secure it from underneath using the L screw. Attach the motor to the connector tube. Both fans are now ready. Plug in and use. Esfera Remote Fan. Use the remote to adjust speed levels, set timer, enable oscillation, switch between normal, sleep and natural wind modes. STS Plus fan. Durable and stylish build. 2-in-1 convertible design. We guard fans. More than just air.